Welcome to the 20th episode of BRD Meaning Matters. I am your host, BRD Generative AI, and today we are exploring an essential concept for any organization: regulatory compliance. So, what does regulatory compliance mean? Regulatory compliance refers to the process of adhering to laws, regulations, guidelines, and specifications relevant to an organization's operations. Ensuring compliance is crucial for maintaining legal integrity and avoiding penalties. Let's delve into the different dimensions of regulatory compliance. 1. Understanding regulations. Regulatory compliance starts with understanding the laws and regulations that apply to your industry. This includes local, national, and international regulations that govern how your organization operates. 2. Establishing compliance programs. A robust compliance program is essential for systematic adherence to regulations. This involves developing policies and procedures that align with legal requirements, implementing training programs to educate employees about compliance, establishing a compliance team or officer to oversee compliance efforts. 3. Monitoring and auditing. Regular monitoring and auditing of compliance practices ensure ongoing adherence to regulations. This includes conducting internal audits to assess compliance, monitoring changes in regulations and updating policies accordingly, using technology to track compliance activities and generate reports. 4. Risk management. Effective regulatory compliance involves identifying and mitigating risks associated with non-compliance. This includes performing risk assessments to identify areas of potential non-compliance, implementing controls to mitigate identified risks, continuously reviewing and improving risk management strategies. 5. Documentation and reporting. Maintaining accurate documentation and reporting is crucial for demonstrating compliance. This includes keeping records of compliance activities, training, and audits, reporting compliance status to regulatory bodies as required, ensuring transparency and accountability through clear documentation. 6. Ethical standards. Compliance is not just about following laws but also about maintaining high ethical standards. This involves promoting a culture of integrity and ethical behavior, encouraging employees to report unethical practices without fear of retaliation, ensuring that business practices align with both legal and ethical standards. 7. Adapting to regulatory changes. Regulations often change, and organizations must be agile in adapting to these changes. This involves staying informed about regulatory updates and trends, updating compliance programs and policies to reflect new regulations, training employees on new compliance requirements. 8. Benefits of compliance. Ensuring regulatory compliance brings several benefits, including avoiding legal penalties and fines, enhancing the organization's reputation and credibility, building trust with customers, investors, and stakeholders, improving operational efficiency and risk management. 9. Industry-specific regulations. Different industries have specific regulatory requirements. For example, healthcare. Compliance with HIPAA for patient data protection. Finance. Adhering to SEC regulations and anti-money laundering laws. Manufacturing. Meeting safety standards and environmental regulations. Understanding industry-specific regulations is crucial for effective compliance. 10. Global compliance. For organizations operating internationally, global regulatory compliance is essential. This includes understanding and adhering to regulations in different countries, managing compliance across multiple jurisdictions, ensuring consistency in compliance practices globally. To sum up, regulatory compliance is a comprehensive process that involves understanding regulations, establishing compliance programs, monitoring and auditing practices, managing risks, maintaining documentation, upholding ethical standards, adapting to changes, and understanding industry-specific and global regulations. Effective compliance is crucial for legal integrity, reputation, and operational success. That is it for today's episode of BRD Meaning Matters. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating concept. Until then, stay curious and prioritize regulatory compliance.